can believe, understand my Tamil, I'm saying like, out of you, God, who can I trust? Man. Jesus is the only trust who had feed me, who had taken me to 3 states, and He helped me to work. He helped me to be here, helped me to everything, all the days through my life. Jesus has been with me. So, and the verse I have said is, I'm a fool, but Jesus, you chosen me, and I haven't searched Him, but He was been with me through all of the days. That's what I have sung. Amen. உமது அன்பு என்றும் உண்டு, நானும் என்றும் வாழ்ந்திடுவேன். உமது அன்பு என்றும் உண்டு, நானும் என்றும் வாழ்ந்திடுவேன். இயேசுவை உம்மை விட நான் வேறு யாரை நம்புவேன்? உம்மை விட நான் வேறு யாரை நம்புவேன்?